National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Woodward County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mutual, moving southwest at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vici, Mutual, and Festus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.